Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to see if someone read your email in Gmail using a mail tracker. This is incredibly useful when you need to know whether important messages have been opened, especially for work emails or time-sensitive communications. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to mail.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account by entering your email and password, then click the Sign In button. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to track email opens. Now look at the right side of your Gmail interface. You'll see a plus sign labeled Get Add-ons. Click on it. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can install extensions that enhance Gmail's functionality. At the top of the pop-up window, you'll see a search bar. Type in Right Inbox and hit Enter. When the results appear, locate the Right Inbox add-on and click Install. This tool will allow you to track when recipients open your emails and click links inside them. During installation, you'll need to choose your account and grant permissions. Go ahead and allow the add-on to access your Gmail. This is necessary for it to track email activity and send you notifications. Once Right Inbox is installed, let's test it out. Compose a new email as you normally would. You'll notice a new menu has appeared in your Compose window. Look for the eye icon and click the drop-down arrow next to it. This opens the tracking options that Right Inbox provides. To enable read receipts, tick the boxes labeled Track Clicks or Track Opens depending on what you want to monitor. Track Opens tells you when someone opens your email, while Track Clicks shows you if they clicked any links inside it. You can enable both if needed. Now fill in the recipient's email address in the To field and add your subject line. Write your message as you normally would. When you're ready, click the Send button to dispatch the email. After sending, you can verify that the tracking request is included. Check your Sent folder and look for the indicator from Right Inbox showing that tracking is active on that message. When the recipient opens your email, Right Inbox will send you a notification letting you know exactly when your message was read. Thanks for watching.